Hello everybody, this is Adamknight, and I'll be playing some Marvel Rivals with my friend DLEGENDARY.
Yo, what's good?
Hopefully our games. But, is everyone ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh, Swim, I see you got the, Krakoa skin for Black Widow. I see you got the, Hellfire Gala Black Widow.
Yeah.
That skin looks pretty good, to be honest with you.
Bro, the Hellfire Gala thing, yeah.
They cooked with all the skins, really.
Did you see the new one that's in the shop? They put another Squirrel Girl skin.
The
Yeah, I'm gonna buy that.
The punk
I
rock.
bought it.
Eat nuts and
No, not that.
bugs.
The one that just came out.
I did not.
Those who oppose me shall be left to drown in my wake.
Thank you,
I like
Russell.
it.
At least thank you.
No matter the
It looks
cost.
good. Like I like it.
Thank you. I like it too, bro. This man over here
The
Aiden
one
was
that you had
hating, bro.
before. The one that you had
Alright,
before
dude.
Was
Alright.
alright,
Golden
but the one that
I'm
was
simply a
better.
man who wishes to use his power
Yeah.
for good.
I bought it, bro. I was like, yeah, let me get
30
this one,
seconds
bro.
before you attack. Get ready.
Oh, good. The perfect human's here to make me feel inadequate.
You know, people were
You're
saying
already doing that
about
before I
that skin,
arrive.
like they said, oh, it's a Gooner skin. I'm like, bro,
Good
what?
fight will improve
Which
your
skin?
self-image.
The new Squirrel Girl skin that came out. They said it's a Gooner skin. I'm like, bro, how?
Battle starts
And
in
so
5,
what if it is?
4, 3,
Like, the fuck?
It
Y'all
really-
think everything is Gooner shit, bro. Like, I hate that
Get
shit.
that vehicle to its destination.
That ass. Yo, why is Jeff just sitting here? What the fuck?
Is Jeff AFK?
I am
I
at
was
your
just sitting
service.
behind that wall and I was just shooting at it.
Rocket's dead.
Hey, but Aiden, who did oven?
I think I saw Zach doing oven.
Oh, I thought it was Xavier gonna do it.
Saying that there was no ushers?
I was Usher, bro. I left early.
Oh, yeah,
I
that's
told you.
right.
The new guy took over as Usher.
Oh.
Or not new guy, he's new to me, but
Boys.
I don't
People were
remember.
talking crap about him in the chat, bro, Russell.
They were.
Yeah, like, they were saying, like, oh, like, he wasn't doing good, like when he was at, apparently he was on Door, right? Wasn't he on Door? Yeah, like, he, apparently, like, Aiden told me, wait, Aiden,
Yeah,
what
I
was it
heard.
again?
He was racist.
Shit. It was easy.
Yeah, I was
Yeah,
told
being
that was
racist.
one of the
Yeah.
reasons. Iron Man completely whiffed that.
Vehicle reached a checkpoint.
For real. And how am I? Yeah, that's what I heard. I don't know.
Hulk's on me.
Over here, Jeff.
Hulk's dead.
World Tree, here we go.
Hulk's dead. Nice.
Psylocke used her ult.
Oh, fuck no.
That's better.
Did y'all have a good Mother's Day?
I did.
I gotta go home really, I guess. Well, not really for me. I fucking am sick.
Oh, I got you. Cause I had a good one too. I spent time with my
I
mom.
got my mom soda, if you like.
I'm so done, Russell.
She likes that. I got it.
You getting her a card or something?
Oh, get back.
I couldn't afford her a card right now.
I'm so done.
Our destiny awaits.
Yo, Jeff is eating my ass. You missed. You don't
Hey, yo.
Hulk's back to banner.
Not what you swim. Not you say that he's eating your freaking. I'm not even gonna say it. Actually, weird.
Destiny awaits.
Our foes have found us.
You're streaming it, so
Quantum magic.
I know.
Say that again? Like that meme?
No.
Say that again?
Oh yeah, say that again.
There they are.
Dude,
May conscience
magic,
keep
dude.
moving.
Like, you're on
fear
something,
failure.
bro. I swear. Like,
Quantum
bro. My nose, bro.
Some assistance, please.
I'll get you next time.
Oh god, he's killing you, man.
Hulk is
You are safe
Hulk
now,
is
my friend.
being annoying over here.
Y'all are lucky as fuck, dude.
Just embrace the light.
Get away from me.
Hulk's running.
Healing power.
Feeling stronger already.
Bro, I'm exiled.
On your toes. Here they come.
Shit, dude.
Someone switched to Captain America and is kind of just standing in spawn.
Any cost.
That's one. I don't know what he's. I don't know what he's doing, but
I have risen.
my fucking god, dude.
Okay, that's a 4 soul bond. Just we actually need to make progress here.
Better already.
Well, we need to do something because we just stuck in this damn corner. And I'm. Oh my gosh.
Damn
Dude,
it.
I jumped in it, dude. Oh my.
Jesus, dude.
Hulk,
Damn.
Jeff got
damn.
me.
There, ahead. I found them. Destiny awaits.
Perfect hex.
Leave them to consume. Together to victory. Magic.
Bro, why is my ult not killing none of them,
Your
bro?
voice is. Like, I don't know. I turned your volume down and I do it like ear raping.
What?
Devon. Turn my volume down. You're just like still ear raping me. I don't know what the fuck is on my headset.
Maximum
pulse.
Iron Man, look out.
Born again.
Get back out there.
Let's go, Raven.
That feels
Go.
better.
Leave the magic.
Bro, can I?
Here we come.
Iron Man is in the air. Someone needs to get him.
Chance is over.
I can't, bro. Freaking need the aerial support.
I got him.
That is much better.
Or good.
Claimed by. We could wipe this
Let's
place.
freaking do the Hulk out of here, dude.
Hulk's gone.
Runs away, bro.
I'll be shipshape in no time.
Where's she at? Oh, she over there. Oh, what the fuck?
There's something about this place.
On again, bro.
Oh, can't get Iron Man.
Iron Man's dead again.
Are you fucking
Get out of
joking?
it.
I'm trying to.
Go have fun. Perfect hex.
Jeff is dead.
The gods themselves are counting.
Oh, I jumped in magic.
Wolverine's, or nope, not Wolverine. Banner's dead.
Hulk is hulking out.
Reach the checkpoint.
And I'm
Keep up the
freaking exiled
momentum.
again.
Only 60 seconds.
Oh god. Hulk is.
What are you talking about in that game?
Or a dagger.
Freaking, I'm talking about freaking Hulk when he like shoots that little beam at you and you get stuck.
Oh god. Get back.
That. Oh my gosh. Oh no! Get
Hul-
away from me, Hulk.
Jeff has
Get away
died.
from me. Let's go. Alright.
I killed Hulk before I died.
And Magic's on my fucking case again, dude. Like,
I am born anew.
the hell out of here with that.
My minion.
Together to victory.
Assemble!
I feel better already.
please.
I got you.
Dude. Magic.
The wounds are gone. You are safe now, my friend.
Magic died.
Together. I'll be ship-shape in no time.
Hulk's gamma shield is so annoying.
That's what I'm saying, bro. It's fucking gamma shield shit. And he freaking
We're going to
hit me
stop
with
you.
that.
I'm sorry I could not save you.
Oh my. Sit down.
Healing power.
I had to use my cocoon.
I'm not using my. Oh hell no.
You are
Oh
safe
shit.
now, my friend.
Destroy everything in sight.
We need to get magic out of here. Or not magic. Got Psylocke out of here.
Did you get her?
Yep.
My cosmic might.
Jeff behind. Jeff behind.
Feeling stronger already.
That's it! Don't let anything stand in your way. Only 60 seconds left.
Oh my god.
Iron Man is so annoying. No, you don't.
Oh fuck no.
I got him.
Let's go.
Battlefield medicine. Some assistance, please. Enemy ahead. We are in this together.
Alright, dude.
Healing
We just need to.
That's the
We just need to keep going.
Oh no no no.
Fall
no,
back.
No, no.
Down to 30 seconds.
You're a dumbass.
Iron Man's
Jeff.
dead.
I promise you.
That's better.
Yeah. That's one.
Nice.
Another epic victory. Big win!
Nice, Aiden. You got freaking
Oh, I did.
VP. Yep. Good shit.
Start up the match when you're ready.
Born again. Healing power.
Alright.
Second chance is over.
Hellfire Gala. If that is not gonna be one of
Pick your
Doctor
hero.
Doom's
Or villain. I'm not judging.
common skins, I'm gonna be disappointed.
I will bring
For
peace to
real.
this universe.
Cause that
no
skin
matter the
looks
cost.
clean.
It does.
I know Doctor Doom is really known
Hi.
for his like green, but that looks really good in blue.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what this match has to offer us.
I
Oh,
am
yeah,
no
Slim.
golden god. I am simply a
Did
man
you know
who
that
wishes to
Sabu
use his
died?
power for
Yeah, I
good.
know.
I
Oh,
was like,
30
WWE
seconds
wrestler.
before you attack.
yeah, I was like, bro. I known him too for a long time. He used to freaking fight in ECW, and he just had a match too. He just had a match like during WrestleMania weekend. I was like, dude, that's crazy.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's in my
All you have to
room.
do is capture the mission area.
Fuck.
Got it?
We must stop Doom's schemes before reality unravels around us.
Oh, I don't know what that is, bro. I think it's a fucking moth.
We've got trouble.
Alright, that's 5 people.
Invisible?
And there's a Hulk.
That's better.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Oh my gosh, why did I rush in like that?
The mission area
Did not mean to do
is
that.
yours.
Bro.
I appreciate you.
Not the same Hulk, dude.
Maybe.
Jumping over. Jumping.
He plays like
The
him a little
sniper is
bit.
no more.
Yeah.
I don't think so, because the Hulk in our previous games was a bit more reckless.
The cosmos
Fair.
heals you.
Right about that, actually.
I'm counting on you, friends.
And Colin are closing tomorrow.
Quantum magic.
Hope it's not busy for you guys.
I don't think so. At least I hope not.
Enemy has arrived. A sniper. But where?
It's kind of crazy because this is the first time in a while I'm closing with Colin.
Unite.
I've not closed with that man in a long time.
You've captured more than half of this area. Keep going.
Holy shit, man.
Restoring.
Is Hawkeye dead yet?
No.
Cosmic might return.
Like, what is happening, bro?
I'm
I'm being sidelocked no more, bro.
This is where it lasts.
Actually, nah, I'm gonna try one more time.
The area's
I had to have nerfed her, bro, because I used to get kills with this girl, bro, every time.
Maybe it's because you haven't played as her in a while.
powering up.
Well, it's not even that. Like, I know how to play her and everything. And I'm using her abilities right, and it's just like I'm not killing nobody. I'm just like dealing like little bit of damage. Like,
We are in it.
Then I guess it makes sense that they nerfed her then.
yeah, they had to have, cause like in the previous seasons, bro, I was getting kills with her like
Left and right.
nonstop. Yeah.
I will leave this universe a better place than it was before I
The
was
only
created.
way I can probably get a kill is with my ult too, cause she like her ult does like good ass damage.
I've been able to survive it twice.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Really?
Yeah. Though I have been.
Probably- yeah.
In the timeline
It-
where I
she-
come from,
The first time I was on the edge of it, the second time she did
then
chase
I
me
am
down.
thankful you are no longer in
I'm
that
so
reality.
done.
At times, so am I. But then I see the chaos surrounding us, and all I want is to return home. Oddly enough,
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Let's stay together.
I'll take a cosmic
Alright.
crash over fighting vampires any day.
I'm about to get something to eat after this.
Yeah,
Fix me some cereal or some shit.
I still need to make food as well.
Bro, why is there a damn fly in my room? Like,
They're shooting
the
at us
fuck?
from afar. I need healing. Cosmic might return.
Looks like the mission area is yours.
Oh my gosh, dude. Leave me alone, Hulk.
Got him.
Nice. Shit. No.
Another Psylocke?
She's being the same skin as me too. Oh,
Oh, this Penny Parker's not better than me. Get the fuck out of here.
Power.
Powering up.
I'm just dealing damage at this point.
The cosmos
Bro,
heals
get
you.
away. My gosh.
Quantum magic.
Here comes trouble.
This time I need healing.
We are undefeatable.
Oh, they got magic.
Cosmos heals you.
Well, honestly, I'm more worried about Hulk right now than I am Magic.
Oh, this person! Bro, I'm so mad right now. There's no way they canceled my ult like that as soon as I was about to use it.
This was always
Psylocke's
Fucking-
dead.
Fucking hate Penny Parker, dude.
quantum magic.
Sniper, look out. Systems restoring.
Saw me coming.
Didn't even ask, bro. Like, shut up.
The area's almost yours.
Oh
2 squirrel girls. Okay. That's nice.
Oh, that's magic.
What am I? Invisible?
Off of me.
Quantum magic.
Plasma burst!
Oh, she fucking.
Dip.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
You beating my ass, you freaking bitch.
My hand.
Wait for me, bitch.
I am at your service.
Enemy located.
We won anyways.
I didn't even have to use my ultimate.
Only had fucking 5 kills, dude. Yeah, I'm never playing this girl ever again, bro. Unless they fucking buff her again.
Oh, hey, I got MVP again.
Nice. Shit, dude.
You said you're about to go get food?
Yeah, I'm about to go make something real quick, and then I'll come back.
Alright, I guess I'll do the same and search for some food.
Yeah, hold on. Let me switch my freaking.
I'll be ending my video for now. Have a good day, everybody, and if you have any content you would like to see me make, please do tell me. See you guys later.